In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Novo customer support through a few different methods, including phone, chat, and email. We'll ensure you have all the necessary information to make reaching out as smooth as possible. Let's begin by heading to the Novo website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in Novo's URL. Once their homepage is loaded, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the page. As you navigate further down, you'll see various sections that highlight different areas of the website. Among them, keep an eye out for the Contact Us hyperlink. Clicking this link will take you to the next step in the process. Once you're on the Contact Us page, you'll need to log into your Novo account. This is crucial because to create a support ticket or start a chat session with a support agent, you must be signed into your account. Logging in will connect your issue directly with your account information, ensuring a more efficient and personalized service. If you haven't registered yet, you'll have to sign up for an account before proceeding with these steps. If you prefer to communicate via email, you have the option to reach out to Novo's customer support team at their dedicated email address, which is for most customer support inquiries. The support team is available Monday through Friday, from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. If you happen to email them outside these hours, don't worry. You can still send your message and they will get back to you as soon as possible. Note that response times might be a tad slower outside of standard operating hours. For media-related inquiries, there's a specific channel available. Any engagements or collaborative opportunities should be directed to their media team. Simply send an email with your media plans or proposals to the provided media contact email and the team will assist you further. Lastly, if you're interested in joining Novo's community of small businesses and connecting with fellow entrepreneurs, you can express your interest by sending an email to their community address. This is a great way to get more involved and integrate into their network, which often opens up avenues for support and collaboration within the community. By utilizing these methods, you can easily get in touch with Novo's customer support or any other relevant department based on your needs. Whether it's a quick chat with an agent or a detailed inquiry sent via email, Novo offers multiple avenues to ensure your concerns and questions are addressed effectively. We hope this guide helps you connect effortlessly with the Novo team. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.